Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping, and take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you want this item, click that link, add it to your cart, check out so they can ship it to you fast. Oh, baby. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. I got the Prime in the background. Who's this coming from? Oh boy, let me check. Yep, got an invoice thingy. This is coming from... does not say. Well, it will be corrected in the links and in the title picture. This is the best Starry light projector you can buy right now. Light up your space adventure. Definitely going to be testing this out. We got Bluetooth, Ocean Wave Ambient, Starry light, music speaker, voice control mode, remote control, automatic timer, unique with the exquisite shape and design. Alright, this should be a fun one. Nice little birthday gift or something to spice up your home. Decorate it a little bit different, especially now. I had to, so I mean, this is a good step right here. Helps you calm down at nighttime more too. Especially great in the kids' room. Great for the arcade, gaming room, nurseries. Like I say, you could probably wire the music up so I could play nursery rhymes or something like that, and you know, it'd be all good. It'd be all good in the hood. So we got this manual. Don't need that. Should be an easy one. Okay. Here is the remote, so you're gonna need some batteries, and of course you can always buy some good old Amazon brand batteries. They're the best price and they last a long time, so we're going to see how many we need. Probably 2 AA or AAA. Yep, 2 AAA, so in case you need batteries, I'll have that link down below also from. We got here USB powered. So we're going to hop back on the computer and show you guys the magic show, light show, laser show. We're just going to get right into it. Yep, here is a USB, a twist. Should be a nice long cord. But definitely really cool to have. Everyone's getting into these now more. I noticed, like on Instagram, great for TikTok videos. You could do these for. So there's a USB and Twitch streaming, so you can have this in the background with the waves, kind of like you're floating in space. Seems a lot of fun. And let's take this UFO out. That's what it reminds me of, UFO. QR code, don't know why. Alright, close that up. Boom. Here it comes. Get to the business. Oh, whoa. Take a look at this. I'm liking that. Now that feels more spacey. Great design. This is totally different. We got Bluetooth, volume down, volume up, play, DC, on off, volume, USB. So you can take your power banks. There's a speaker, there's a light, there is, this is laser something. Alright. Put that right there. There's lasers come out. This is really nice. Nice design. Really cool. Was not expecting this. Alright, let's get this battery situation going first. But like I said, definitely get the Amazon, because they got good deals on the batteries right now, so I just gotta get two of them out. There we go. Alright guys. We got the 2, 1 and 2. There we go. Alright, pop these in. One goes this way. See, Amazon basic. Good stuff. And close it. Voila, here's a good remote, what it looks like. Kind of like a Fire Stick remote. So, we got that done. Throw that out. Throw that out. Let's plug her in. Right here. So, I'm definitely curious about the Bluetooth. So, we're going to try that out. Got that nice and locked in. Be right back. Alright, guys. Now I'm situated. Got that. Oops. Got this going. USB. Time to plug her in.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so go onto your Bluetooth. Whoa. I'm going to shut the lights off in a second. Let you guys see that. Give me 1 second. Where's the settings on iPhone? There it is. Bluetooth. Now it should pull up. It's BT Kenti. Let's see. What is it going to pull up as? I wonder if it's this one.
Bluetooth connection.
Oh, sweet. Okay. So we're going to do a little YouTube magic. And hopefully... Busy Bone. I don't think he has copyrighted. I don't think I'll get in trouble for that one. Just gotta find a good song. There we go. Oh, that sounds nice. Whoa. Alright, time to shut these lights off. Alexa, turn off computer light.
Okay.
There we go. That's nice. All right, guys. That is really cool. Great timing with the waves in the background. Hold on 1 sec. Alright guys, that was that one. Now we're going to see... Whoa. There's white. That one's cool. This is, like I said, when you have it positioned somewhere too in your house, you know, it'll look a lot different than what it is on my side. So wherever you have it positioned, it'll look good. So this is nice. Look at that. It's just a laser. So we're going to show this one. Ooh. It's red, green. Got the Fago. Whoa. This is sweet. That was pretty cool. Strobe. I think that was strobe action. And you can control the speed, the brightness. It's so quiet. You can see the ball spinning. And this is a technology I like. This is really cool. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check these guys out. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. And get one now before they're gone. Be safe. Have a good weekend.